Today we are going to be playing Spaceflight Simulator again. And the reason why I'm playing it so much is just because, well, it's a fun game and I haven't played it in a long time. Why is that still there? Oh. Alright, so I'm going to be building like a big... I'm going to be building a cool rocket. You'll get to see what the name is in the end of the video. It's going to be a 12Y. Right here. It's going to be like this. And then with a shade like that. And then we're going to have like these aerodynamic things right there. They're going to be, and then they're going to be like this, and they're also going to be like that. So then we're going to copy and paste this, and then we're going to bring it to the other side. Alright, so I think this is already looking good. We're going to go to Redstone Atlas. And they're going to get the strongest engine, which is this. But we're going to like make it look better by doing this. Let's also make sure it matches the pattern up there, because then it will look better. Well, we will probably need a lot of engines for this stage. So that's why I'm adding so much. And then I'm gonna make sure they're all turned on. And then I'm going to duplicate it. And then duplicate it. And then duplicate it. Okay, there. That's a lot of engines, but it's probably what we will need. We'll actually probably not that many engines. So we will remove some like this.
Alright, I want to get to this because we have more breaking news now out of Nigeria. Authorities are still on the hunt for the gunman responsible for attacking a high school in the northwestern part of that nation. It happened this week. Well, it's only Tuesday. So it just happened. Kidnapping of 25 schoolgirls and killing their vice principal. No group so far has claimed responsibility. However, school children in the region have been targeted.
Okay, what did I just do?
Abducted 276 students. I don't want to put too fine a point on this, but you mentioned your military service. I believe you were there at that time. Yeah, I served in Nigeria helping train.
Alright, so there's that. We have the engines. They look good. And then we're going to add the next stage right here. There's that. And then we're going to be using these engines. And guys, in the comments, can you guess what rocket this is going to be based off of? If you can, I'm going to be impressed. Like, actually. And then we will do this.
The agency told the public there was no evidence of a motive. But there's a lot of information coming out now. We'll dig in.
What?
This holiday season, give the very special gift of premium steaks from Riverbend Ranch. The flavor is incredible because they come from special Angus cattle that were raised without hormones with a focus on flavor and tenderness.
Alright, I don't know if this is gonna work, so we might just have to do this. And then add that and then like copy and paste this a few times. And then we're also gonna go to stages and like this. Alright, so that's it. And then we can combine all of these together. Like that. Like this is already looking like a cool rocket. Make sure to make it go like that. Actually, this looks cooler. Then we flip it over so it's on the top. Anyways, I'm back. Anyways, so we're gonna flip this upside down and do that right there. That looks good. And then there are going to be like 4 stages on this. So like 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 stages. Guys, that's the piano if you can hear it. I'm gonna go get the cat off of it. Okay, guys, I'm back. So we're going to actually make it kind of shrink a little bit since I think it looks cool. So we're actually going to need a little more stages. Like this, completely like that. Like there. Tiny white ones. Black. And then there, that should be it. Alright, so now we're going to add fairing. This will be like a little lander in it. The lander will be for the Earth and like not any other moon or planet. Nope, yes. Okay, there. So now we can add like the little thing. The lander. Trying to find like a
December feels full, doesn't it? Packed calendars, long shopping lists, travel, presents, more presents. God, why is this something different? All of them. Your mind just still.
I'm trying to make this actually look good.
That's what God wants. So join me in finding that space. Join me in finding that peace. For every day isn't.
When Betty and George switched to consumer selling, it saved them a lot. So they started splurging on big time. No. Don't you dare. It's quiet. See how we can cut your bill. Call consumer selling.
My wife Gina was born to be a chef. Exploring new foods is her passion. But diabetes will take that from me.
And then we're going to color all of this silver and add the capsule right there.
G7, she doesn't have to choose between the foods that she loves and her health. I can't wait to see what she creates next. You know it's gonna be good.
Alright, I had to make sure that this controls this stuff. And it does, which is good. And then going to add this. And then we're going to add parachutes. This. There. And then we can launch. Guess it's too heavy to launch. That means we're gonna have to copy and paste these. Copy and paste. I feel like this rocket could actually get to the moon. But I'm not going to be doing that anytime soon because that's way too hard for me.
I just reserved our rooms last night. We're staying on the We're just staying Thursday night and Friday night. We're leaving here.
And then we're going to time warp over here.
Was it nice then? I'm surprised you went there because you had the price because it was a little pricier. Typically, because I usually go through Trivago or Booking.com, and every time I do it often.
Right, that's good.
I reserve it, but I don't have to pay until I check in.
But we still have a little bit fuel left. And then let's see if we can get back to the Earth. Alright, so the Earth is over here.
Like I have credit cards that when I go to make my payment on my apps, it tells me
I think we might actually be able to do it. Yes, we can do it. Alright, so we're going to wait. When we enter the atmosphere, we're going to detach this. So here we are.
Chip has no idea what's going on. In the group chat, talking about Luke Ryan, Luke Combs. We're all like this. He's saying all these songs, they're like, that's Luke Ryan, that's Luke Ryan, that's Luke Combs. He's just going like what he knows. I want to hear
survive the first impact that counts, and we are a meteor. I'm pretty sure you could do this like if you were good at it. Anyways, I'm going to show you the name of it.
You kissing your waffle? What are you doing? You're a piggy. You're a piggy.